Well, I've gone through hell and high water with this thing. Fucking put everything in it under the fucking sun. Replaced the ground wire. Replaced the ignition switch. Replaced 2 relays. Replaced the fucking fuse in the fuse panel. Replaced the TFT sensor in the transmission. And it still wouldn't start off of the ignition. And it would start off of that wire right there. So today I fiddled with it. I cleaned that and redid this little wire right here. Not that that does anything really. I don't know what it even goes to, but I fucking redid that. And then I put the batteries in it, and I fucking put a new relay in the starter relay again just to see if it would do anything, and it still didn't. So I just started going down the line. I checked everything. Fucking went from this side of the truck, started working my way over, checking all the connections of everything. If you didn't know it already, the fucking tow haul light, and this was blinking, and when you had started off of that wire right there with the ignition on, and it would just keep blinking. It would literally be like, oh well, sending my truck into different fucking modes and stuff, and it wasn't starting off the ignition. So I found a YouTube video online, and the guy said his wire to the fan clutch was severed, and he said it was making his truck made its truck die on the side of the road, and the tow haul light would be blinking, and it made the truck literally go into a no start mode. So I decided to look at the wire that comes through here, and sure as fucking shit, it was severed right in half. And the fan clutch little elbow thingy is way the fuck down there. Right there, if you can see it. What, Hazel? You got a glove on? Careful. Mom! Anyway, I went over to fucking AutoZone and got one of these shitty fucking things right here and grabbed a bunch of wire and a bunch of fucking connectors and all sorts of crap. And yeah, I gobbed it together with all yellow wire because that's all I had, and I had a little bit of blue right here, but I didn't want to use that. And yeah, so after fucking 6 months of sitting here picking and couldn't figure out what the flying fuck was wrong with my truck and why this thing wouldn't start the ignition. Oh yeah, now you fucking thing starts right up, piss mint now. So I even replaced the starter in it too, but I didn't have to pay anything for that because warranty on it was still good. So yeah, well, hopefully this helped some of you YouTubers. Not that any of you even watch my fucking videos, but whatever. I figured I'd help somebody out maybe.